What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. And it's the holiday season. Can't you just feel it in the air? One of the best parts about it is the good, delicious, home-cooked food. Three of my favorite Christmas dishes are that honey roasted ham, that sophisticated crown roast, beans, greens,
potatoes, tomatoes.
I want to know what the gang is cooking, not just in the U.S., around the world. Come join your boy for 10 days of Christmas as we go on what I like to call the culture quest. We heading to Mexico, Jamaica, South Africa, Australia, India, the Philippines, Russia, Denmark, Canada, then back to the good old US of A. That sound good to you? Grab your pot and your neck pillow. Let's go. Pit stop, India. Shoot Christmas. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Welcome back to Christmas Around the World, episode 5. We're in India today, baby. If you're just now joining us for our 10 days of Christmas Around the World, go back and check it out from day 1. Pozole in Mexico to curry goat in the Caribbean, just to name a few. Real lit recipes. Check them out, man, and catch up on your series. Today, we're in India. We're gonna be taking on a recipe that these people say is difficult to do. Next to impossible. It just don't taste right. It's dry. A lot of complaining. We're doing a plum cake, aka a fruit cake. It's big during the holidays in India. We're not the one to back down from a challenge. Fruitcake this and fruitcake that, dry this and dry that. Not over here with the game. We got us some dried fruit here. These are some of the fruits that I like in this fruitcake. This is different. Kicked up. India, I got you.
Shoot Christmas.
Get all our fruit down into the bowl, and I'm gonna show you what type of liquid we soaking in there. Cranberries, dried cherries we got going in. Let me show you this apricot. Still got some life left in. Beautiful, sexy apricots we got going in. Raisins. Everybody loves raisins. If you don't love raisins, you're from somewhere else. We're on a date with these beautiful dates, man. These are some sweet, good, delicious dry dates. Real popular in the Middle East cuisine. They're real popular in the desserts out there. Very popular when it comes to these fruitcakes. This is something special, man. These are dried figs. Can you dig the fig? Some of my favorite fruits, figs. We call it a fruit, but it's really just an inverted flower. Figs got some fun facts that I figured the gang would like to know. Check this out. Fun fact.
In simple terms, figs are technically not a fruit. They are inverted flowers. Fig trees don't flower like apples and peaches. Their flowers bloom inside the pear-shaped pod, which later matures into the fruit we eat. Each flower then produces a single, one-seeded, hard-shelled fruit called achene. That's what gives a fig the crunch we know. And the fig is made up of multiple achene. So when we eat a fig, we're actually eating multiple fruits. Because fig flowers bloom eternally, they need a special process for pollination. They cannot rely on the wind or bees to spread their pollen. That's where the fig wasp comes in. The fig cannot survive without the fig wasp to spread its genetic material, and the fig wasp cannot live without the fig. This relationship is known as mutualism.
Flowers, fruits, whatever you want to call it, but they are delicious. Figs. The fruity pebbles. Let's get these things refortified. They talk about the dried fruit cake. It's been going on for centuries on centuries. Keeping with the India theme, we're gonna use grape juice. This is not it. No baseability. 1 cup of grape juice. Get down into the bowl. Get a little boozy. Wino. Half a cup of red wine going in. Use your favorite wine. Keeping with some of the fruity flavors for our fruit cake, baby. Pineapple rum going in. Kick that rum flavor up a little bit. Rum extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops. There's nothing basic about it. This is key. Mix it up. You want to let it steep. Minimum of 2 hours. Overnight is better. Get it wrapped up overnight, 24 hours. We're in India today, baby, on the 10 days of Christmas with your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Let's go make a cake batter.
Compared to other religious festivals, Christmas is quite a small festival in India. Due to the number of people who are Christians, about 2.3%, compared to people who belong to other religions. Having said this, the population of India is over 1 billion, so there are over 25 million Christians in India. Traditional Catholics fast from the 1st to the 24th of December until the midnight mass service. Christmas trees are also very popular, as is a traditional rich fruit Christmas cake. Fruit cakes are typically served in celebration of weddings and Christmas.
We got that fruit soaking batter mix for our cake. 1.25 cup hot water. 1.5 cup of this brown sugar going down into the hot water. It starts to melt instantaneously. 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil going down into the bowl. Incorporate it well. Got that beaten. Get some of our dry ingredients into this mixture. You want to get you a sifter. This is key. I'm gonna sift in 2 cups of this flour. Teaspoon of the baking soda right down in there. You know we're in India. Couldn't do this without our spices. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom here.
Spicification.
Run it in through the sifter. Fold your spices and your flour into the wet mixture. A lot of people say this recipe is difficult, but that's just because you don't know the keys. You got to have the keys. We'll get about 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest going in.
Warm it up.
1 teaspoon of the good vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Lumps and clumps free. Cake batter consistency. Real nice with the earth tone color. I love this. I love this. Let's keep going. The batter is done. The batter is not done yet. These are a couple of my favorite nuts. I love the cashews because they got the little sweet essence. The walnut's gonna add a good savory note to this cake. This is the key. They gonna look at you with this, or they gonna look at you with this. You gonna get one of them two look. Messing with the game, you gonna get the great look. How long did you let them soak? An hour. Gonna have a dry cake? I told you minimum 2 hours. That smell hit me. They swimming, they happy now. Happy fruit cake. Let's get our fruit in our fruit cake. Pause. Don't pour that liquid in that batter. Drain our fruit right into the bowl. AP flour. Dump your fruit in your flour. Toss. It's gonna keep the fruit from falling to the bottom of the batter too quick. Back into the system. Toss. Access off. Going into the batter, baby. That's gonna keep them fruits floating in that batter. Fold everything in. Fold it in, baby. You just witnessed the game make one of the best fruit cake right before your eyes. Bun cake. I don't know if it's traditional in India to use the bun cake. Bun cake gonna give you the most beautiful presentation. That's what you deserve. You got it greased up real good, won't nothing be sticky. You wanna learn how to grease this pan up or what to use? I just dropped a video, went to South Africa, Malva pudding. Go back and watch that video and check out that Malva pudding. Check out the best stuff to use to grease these pans up. Going around in a circle of motion, make sure everybody gets served. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, going in for about 45 minutes to an hour. How to make sure that cake is done. Pull it out the oven, take your toothpick, ta. If it come out clean, finito, finished. Fruit cake. Let's go, baby. What we got? Take a bow for the fruit cake. Oh my God. This ain't the one they've been re-gifting for years, not at all. The holidays on the plate. The cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, the spicification. India, we got to try it out. No baseability. Fruitcake like no other fruitcake, gang. Happy holidays, man, to everybody out there watching this right now. Good-hearted people. Yes, Lord. Oh, God. Ain't nothing dry about this cake. It's moist. Come here. Come here. That brings me right to the holidays while we out here in India. Warms you right up inside, man. It's the holidays in India, baby. This is stop number 5. Make sure you go over to jpcgang.com. Check out the merch. Help us help them, man. 75% of the proceeds going back to nonprofits, helping these babies during the holiday season, man. Make sure you're doing your part, spreading love throughout this world. Right now, we're in India. Double salute to India, man. This is a great fruitcake game. No dryness here. Make sure you go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking. Happy holidays. Until next time, peace and love.